Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find your BNB wallet address in Metamask. So to get started with how you can simply find your BNB wallet address in Metamask, so click on the Metamask icon on your computer or your mobile phone, then enter your password if it is locked. Then after that, at the top of your Metamask, you will see your current network like Ethereum mainnet in a drop down. Then click it and select BNB Smart Chain or BSC mainnet. So if you haven't added your BSC yet, you may need to manually add it first. So here's the BSC details you need if adding manually. So the first thing to do is to add your network name. You also add your RPC URL, then your chain ID, your currency symbol, then the explorer, the block explorer. So those are the details you need to have filled. So once you fill them accurately, then the next thing to do is to click account one or your wallet name. So once that is done, your wallet address starts with OX, then it will appear directly under your account name. Then click to copy. So simply copy the address just to copy it to your clipboard. Then here's a quick pattern tips. Your MetaMask wallet address says the same across your chain, like your Ethereum, your BNB, your Polygon Matrix. So it is the network that decides which token you are accessing. So to view transaction or holding, you can paste your wallet ID to bncscan.com afterward, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.